Made pancakes today. Gonna have it with lemon, zimt, cinnamon, sugar, and a cat. Somebody has found their way up onto the roof and forgotten how to come back down. Hey, Smudgy! Where's the steps down? Come on. Come on down. Come on. I guess maybe over the garage. Come on. Hey, Smudge. Are you gonna jump from there? How are you getting down? Oh. I think maybe over there and then down. Oh, she got up somehow. Lots of little steps. Pretty easy. Come on. Oh, now she's going to the neighbors. That's no good. And we're inside for sunset. Perfect. Sunset is coming up. Gonna be beautiful. As always. Bailey's always inside for sunset. I don't want to jinx that, but she's a pretty good house cat. Smudgy is the adventurer, huh? The adventurer. How was the roof? Pretty good? Starting to look quite homely now. I just need to get a bin. Little plastic bags as bins are not that great. I like my little veggie rack and kitchen counters. I could have a little bit more kitchen counter space. But I think if I move those water bottles, it should work out just fine. And I do use the top of the stove as an extra counter when I'm not cooking. So yeah, works out great. Cats are relaxing in the kitchen, having a little yawn. And doggos are in the living room. Hello, doggo. Oh, hello. And I am, look at beautiful Eva. Isn't she pretty? And this is a little troublemaker. And Wilfred's got a toy. I think the doggos are cuddled out. And lots of scritchies and scratchies. And entertainment from Emmeline. Today I am transplanting the big seedlings into individual trays. So basically, if I've got a couple of them in one little pot, I'm gonna separate them. That's my plan today. Bailey is helping. Hey Bailey, are you helping? I take that as a no. Eva is chilling on the couch. Hey Eva, it's pretty. So pretty with a toy. And Wilfred and Emma outside somewhere. Oh, there they are, behind that tree. Having a little walk around. Emma was playing in the sand over there and she actually found her Frankenfroggy in there. It was pretty cute. She was so happy when she found him. And the veggie bed over there is doing super duper great. Everything's super duper great. It's very quiet, a couple of roosters. Yeah, very peaceful. Doggy's playing outside. And here's Eva. Hi Eva. You gonna come say hi? Hi. Bailey is relaxed. And Eva's gonna go outside. Hey Wilfred. Hey. So Bailey is still in the same position. And the lavender is a pretty good door stopper actually. I want to make it a little bit heavier. It's a little light right now, but it's pretty good. Maybe needs to grow a bit to be heavier. All the doggos are outside. Eva decided to go outside as well. Not sure where she is, but yeah, outside time. There she is. Playing. Hi, are you guys done playing? I think Emma is just the most playful. She just finds so many toys to play with. Doesn't matter what it is, could just be a Twiggy. Best toy. And that bottle, that plastic bottle, that is just the ultimate toy. Here's Eva hanging out with me. She did spot Bailey and Bailey spotted her. But she's ignoring Bailey. Oh, you don't want anything to do with kittens, huh? And there's Emma on the steps, or was on the steps. And Bailey doesn't really mind. Oh, you're just ignoring her. You don't want to say hi? Oh, you just want to hang out with me. Oh, that's so sweet. Hey, Bailey. You're so cute. Hi. Hello. Okay, so this is the end result. Bailey not moving. Eva just hanging out. What will you do? Off you go. Yeah, it's pretty peaceful. Hey, Eva. I think Eva just wants to hang out with humans. And Bailey. Hey, not too fast. Was that okay? That was okay, I think. Yeah, and now they're all just outside. Having a little bark. Bark, bark, bark. So neighbor dog's barking. That was a short little playtime. So cute. They don't really respond to the neighborhood dogs barking. Just a little bit, but nothing serious. It's like, hey, we're here. Oh, so cute. Oh yeah, hi. Hello. The neighborhood dogs, or neighbor dogs, they bark quite a lot, but these guys don't respond that much. So it's quite peaceful. It's more playful here. So cute. I think Emma is still trying to figure out how to join in. Doesn't quite get the playtime 100% yet, but she'll figure it out. They all just came in, checking on the Bailey, just to have a little look-see. Is the cat still there? Cat's still there. Oh, are you growling? I'm not sure if that was Wilfred or Eva. Might have been Wilfred. Eva looks a bit too happy to growl. Hey. Pause. Oh, I think it was Wilfred. He just did that thing outside. He gets a bit annoyed with Emma. Spaces. Hey, Eva. Look at those big paws. Oh, high five. It's a race. It's a race. I think those two won. Oh. Eva, hi. Hey, Wilfred. Hey, Emma. You guys playing? Hi. You guys playing? Oh, yeah. We found Smudgy. She's right over there. That little panda spot over there. Smudgy it's just on the neighbor's property behind the fence. And that's her sunny spot of the day. This is invisible fence. Invisible fence. Huh? Invisible fence. Now it's a human fence. Human fence. Human fence. Human fence. And cat fence. Nope. Okay. Outside time. So that all went pretty okay, I think. Pretty okay. You okay? Was a bit close, huh? Invisible fence. I mean, human fence. Hello. Back to the half loaf. Cute doggos. Outside time. I think today is just gonna be mostly outside day. Looks like amazing weather, as usual. Okay, I think seedling time now. Ooh, distractions. Wilfred is off. Oh, I think they're tired now. Are you guys tired? Maybe? Not sure. Just checking the living room is still there. Human wall. Having a little barrier between the conservatory and the hallway so that the doggos can be outside or in the conservatory or in the living room. But I don't want them crossing this barrier because I want the cats to feel like they can be in the kitchen or in the bedroom without dogs. Isn't that right, Wilfred? I just want them to feel like they do have a dog-free zone. If they do feel a little bit scared, they know where to go. So yeah, that's my hope, and so far it's working fairly well. Mostly because Bailey is so chill. I think she is probably making this all happen. And also the dog's not being super duper playful or energetic or just over the top hyper. That helps as well. They're just being very relaxed. Playtime. It helps that they use the energy running around outside, I think. And then when they come in, they'll be a little bit more tired and not have energy to want to play with Bailey. Because Bailey does not want to play with doggos. Oh no. That's a big no-no. Emma really wants to play. No. She's figuring it out. Sooner or later. Cute little chase. They're figuring it out. It's all gonna be fine. Running up the driveway. Oh, that was so cute. Was that cute, Bailey? Was that cute? You was adorable. So unimpressed. So Wilfred and Eva have coming in, but they don't need to stay in. They can go out. Emma prefers outside. You want to be out again? Yeah, they just come and pop in and see if their living room's still there. Then they go out again. pretty cool. And Bailey is chill. Chill. Super chill, super chill, super chill, super chill. Super chill. Yeah, it's just Wilfred just making sure everybody knows that he's here. Oh yeah, so earlier Emma came on in with Eva and they were all a little excited. And they threw this pot plant over because I had it there as a door stopper. That does not work, by the way. So then there's one little branchy that broke off, just one little branch. And all these twiggies were attached to that branch. So now I have a super opportunity to propagate these guys. Pretty great, huh? And these ones I can use as beautiful smells. So yeah, they smell really good. Super, super nice. Obviously they were not quite ready to be harvested, but that's just how it is right now. And this will grow back. It'll grow back into, yeah, because lavender just does what lavender does. Pretty good. Okay, current status. I've made little label twiggies. So I'm going to take these little twiggies, put them into each of these little seedling pods, and then put a masking tape label on them so I know which one is which. Cats are happy. Smudgy has come back in off the roof. Bailey has not moved. Eva is just being wonderful. And so is Emma. And Wilfred is somewhere in this room here. Just chilling. There he is. Hey, Wilfred. Just relaxing. I think these guys are hanging out in that room because it's warmer. There's a bit of a breeze coming through this door. But I don't want to close it because Emma's there. And I kind of want to hang out with her as well. So, yeah. Living room door open. Outside door open. Cats. Not super impressed, but totally okay. Smudgy as well.